Hi, Dr. Marianne here. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I haven't recorded a Zoom for a while, YouTube, because I got a new job working with autistic kids who are kinder and first graders. And oh my gosh, it took so much energy. And I was so glad I was strengthened with this X39 LifeWave patch. After working with the kids for a week and a half, the germs were pretty amazing with these little guys with the drippy noses, right? And I talked to so many teachers, and so many teachers are sick. Well, it put me out with the flu for a week and a half. So I've told people these X39 patches give you mental clarity, extra strength and stamina, but and they help your immune system. But I was already taking everything I could for my immune system, so it really took me by surprise. But the X39 patch doesn't make you immortal. It doesn't make you not susceptible to burning your hand, which I did when I was working with Thanksgiving dinner yesterday, or, people stumble or drop things. I mean, you're not infallible. But I want to say the X39 patch is amazing. And I wish I could just tell every teacher that I'm working with that it'll help your own stem cells get activated to give you more strength and energy for those kiddos. So what we're finding is that people that are over 50 and 60 are really benefiting from this, because this is when our stem cells start going dormant. So I want to show you this patch. It comes in a little envelope like this, the X39. I put Post-it notes on everything, but you can take that. You do this every day. So you put the patch on for 12 hours. It's like a little Band-Aid, and then you can take it off for 12 hours and let your body rest. Now, the life of this little guy is 15 hours. So if you want to put it on your foot the next day, put it on another part of your body the next day, you still want to get a new fresh one. And I wear this on the back of my neck. And I wear some other patches that they sell that I love. And I'll talk to you about those later. But the X39 can go under your 2 inches under your belly button or on the back of your neck. But I also want to encourage parents, try this for yourselves. I remember being a parent of young kids and how tired I would get. The mental clarity was exhausting. And, yesterday we hosted Thanksgiving. And typically after I host a family party of about 15 to 20 people, I have to rest and take a Motrin. Well, they have another patch called the Ice Wave that I just put on my lower back. And I was rejuvenated within an hour. I didn't need to take any Motrin. So that's just one of my secrets. But the LifeWave patch, I want to share with you because students who have anxiety, stress, they need mental clarity. They need to prepare for their exams and not be nervous about it. If they have ADHD, if they've had seizures and autism, there is science to back up all the support that these X39 patches have given the students. So because, I don't know if you know that I'm not a doctor of medicine, I'm a doctor of education. So I have 2 masters and 2 teaching credentials, and I've been in special ed for over 18 years, and I've been in education in general for 25 years. So I've seen a lot of kids with seizures, with Down syndrome, ADHD, and anxiety now, and stress, and the colds. So if you could try these on your kids, you could put it on the back of their shirt where they're not even aware of it. Put it on the back of their neck if they don't mind, if they're older maybe. But I want to challenge you, give it a try. They're only $99 per month when you sign up to be a brand member, a silver member. So what that means is you're going to receive 3 sleeves with 30 patches. And I think it's amazing if you and a child or you and your spouse or partner want to do this together so that you have that moral support. Now, I'm taking other supplements and I eat right and I exercise and drink plenty of water. So there's so many things we have to do to keep our bodies healthy. And but I'm telling you, adding this to my regimen is helping me, or my regime, daily regime, is helping me with deeper sleep, better dreams that I remember. And, I just can't say enough. I'm healing faster, scars disappear quicker, toenails get healthier, my hair has been fuller and healthier, my skin has gotten, because it gives you collagen, your stem cells stimulate collagen, so my skin has gotten healthier, and it's actually reversing aging on us adults, okay? So if you're 50 or 60 years old, you've got to try this. If you're in a business where you're with the public, if you're a hairdresser, or if you are a therapist of some sort, there are so many videos to support the science behind this, and you have a market in front of you that you could help so many people. Would you please reach out to me? I'm Dr. Marianne Cintron. You can go to no-pills.com, learn about the science, learn how you sign up. But I wanted to say that because I have my doctorate in education, and we developed a music app called CDSM, and I have the science to support it and the research, and I have the students who have benefited from my reading program with the music app. And there are still so many skeptics out there. So quit being a skeptic. Try this out. If you want to research it, go to no-pills.com, read the studies, see the patents. But, I'm promoting this because I believe it. I believe in the science. I trust the science. Scientist David Schmidt created this now for the Navy SEALs and the Olympians. And if it helped them, why won't it help you? I've spoken to gym owners who are skeptical, and I just don't get it because it's working. There's so many testimonies. I'm going to the gym 3 days a week when I'm not teaching 5 days a week. But anyway, that's why you're not seeing as much. I do have a full-time job, and pretty soon I will be the director of education at Promise Christian University. And I wouldn't be able to do that if God wasn't opening doors and promoting me, giving me extra strength and stamina. So I hope this really encourages you. Please go to my website today. You can also text me at 626-664-9392. I hope you do. Bye-bye, and God bless you.